I'm going to show you a daily Chinese dish. The preparation is very quick and easy. A small quantity of sliced meat is cooked on high heat with a vegetable and garlic. Start by marinating the beef. For that, cut it into thin slices. Remember that to get a very tender meat, it must be sliced perpendicularly to the fibers. Put them in a mixing bowl. Then add 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a little of ground pepper, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Mix well. And let rest while cutting the broccoli into chunks. Don't throw away the broccoli stalk. It is delicious. You have to peel it because the skin is very hard. Then cut it into slices. Children love it. It has a very sweet taste and it is a bit crunchy. Watch them and let them drain. Roughly chop the garlic cloves. Crush 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns. It will bring a delicious flavor to the broccoli. In a pan heated over high heat, put 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, add half of chopped garlic, the crushed peppercorn, and half teaspoon of salt. Stir for 20 seconds. Add the broccoli. Stir-fry it for 2 minutes. The broccoli will soak up the flavors of the green garlic and pepper. Then add 10 centiliters of water. Cover and leave for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Stirring twice. This way of steaming will make the broccoli tender and at the same time keep it a bit crunchy. Keep aside. In the same pan, still heated over high heat, put 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. When the oil is very hot, add the other half of the minced garlic. Stir 5 seconds and add the marinated pieces of beef. Spread them well. Let it sear for 30 seconds. Turn them over and leave for another 30 seconds. Briefly stir. And add the broccoli. Stir for 20 seconds and turn off the heat. The stir-fried broccoli and beef is ready. Serve with jasmine rice. The strong fryer here is also an ingredient. You can feel it in every bite of the dish, and it is very good. Bon appétit! You can prepare it with a reduced amount of meat. It will be just as delicious. Thank you, and see you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.